Mastering sequential words, first, in English conversations. Hello language learners. Today, we are going to explore the usage of the sequential word, first, in English language. This is a fundamental concept in giving step-by-step instructions or explaining sequences of events. Understanding and using first correctly can significantly improve the clarity of your communication. So, let's get started. First is an ordinal number used to denote the beginning or starting point of a sequence. It signifies the initial step in a series of actions, stages, or parts. In the context of giving instructions or directions, first plays an important role as it indicates the very first step one needs to take. The word first can be used in a variety of ways in English. 1. To start a sequence or series, first indicates the beginning of a series of steps or actions. Example: first, we need to gather all the ingredients for the recipe. 2. To give importance, sometimes, first, can also be used to emphasize the importance of a point or aspect. Example: first, let me say how honored I am to be here. It's quite straightforward to use first in a sentence. Here are some common sentence structures. 1. At the beginning of a sentence. First, open the document. 2. As a conjunction with a comma. We need to prepare the soil first. Now it's time to practice what we've learned. Sentence construction challenge. Try to construct your own sentences using first and share them in the comments section. Scenario practice. Imagine you're giving directions to a new place in your town. How would you use first to guide someone there? And that's a wrap on using first in English language. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language. Continue to incorporate first in your daily conversations and soon it will come naturally to you. Thanks for joining me today and I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we will cover the next sequential word, then. Until next time, happy learning!